Hello you guys, I have a new hobby in my life. Well, actually it's not that new. I've been doing this since I was a child, but I recently started picking it up again and I'm kind of debating turning this into like an online shop type of thing. So anyways, I want to update you guys what's been going on. In this coaster in my hand, I have a bunch of little cell phone mini strap charms type of thing, and I loved making these when I was in like elementary and middle school. Essentially, they are cute little food charms. This one is a cupcake and I make them out of clay. I get them little faces and I try and make them as detailed as possible and like realistic, but while still keeping like that cute little look to it, aesthetic. Anyways, this is a little green lime cupcake. This one right here is a little pink cupcake. As you can see, the pink cupcakes, they have little ice cream scoops on their head and it's so cute. It's pretty detailed. This one has orange slices on it. This one is a potato dog that my friend Emma sent me a photo of on Instagram and I recreated it. It's more like a dough dog, but it's fine. This one is so cute. It reminds me of Peaches if she had little floppy ears. Peaches is right there. This one right here is another cupcake. This one has a little chocolate bar on his head and it's so cute. He also has little kiwi slices and a little banana slice on his head. He's one of my favorites. This one right here is a really tiny cookie. This one's smaller than the other cookies. It's literally the size of like my index finger. It's super detailed. So cute. Look at his little face. We have one more green cupcake. This guy is also lime and his smile's a bit cute too. As you can tell, I love making cupcakes. This one is very food themed, but this one also has another little ice cream scoop on his head with banana slices and little orange slices. It's adorable. And the last two are two more chocolate chip cookies. And I already sold one. This one is going to a little home. One of my friends' siblings is buying it, so I have to package it up later. I'm trying to figure out how I should package them. I kind of want to put them in like little Chinese takeout boxes, like the super tiny ones, and put some confetti in it or something. I don't know. I need to figure that out. Peaches, what are you doing? Ooh. But if I do turn this into an online business, I kind of need to figure out the logistics and the shipping side of things, which is a bit tricky for me right now. But please let me know in the comments down below if you guys would actually like buy some of these. Like, they're so cute. They'll need to go to good homes. And I have so many others to like also give away. Let me show you guys. I keep a bunch of old ones that I've made in here, and there's so many. This is a donut. We got lots of different cupcakes. This one is strawberry kiwi. This one is chocolate and banana. I have a sad little ravioli with a bite taken out of him. On the inside, there's green. My toast charms were my favorite things to make for a bit. I'm taking a break on them, but there's a Nutella, bananas, and strawberry, and this one is a little sad face and he has like little blueberries on his head. Here is a cookie without a face and just a basic chocolate cupcake. Oh, and donuts are another one of my favorite things to make. This one is a chocolate donut with sprinkles, and this one is a chocolate donut with a bite taken out of it, and it's detailed all on the inside. And one of my favorites that I made, this one was for myself, but I also made one for my best friend Hannah. These are acai bowls, or acai bowls, whatever you want to call them. There's blueberries, strawberries, and kiwi slices, and at the back it's like a little bowl. It even has like that little indent. I kind of want to turn these into magnets if I can get little magnet backings, but yeah, I think it'd be looking super cute on a fridge. But yes, that is what I've been up to lately. I've really been debating selling them, so once again, let me know in the comments if you guys would buy them and if I should put them on Etsy or something, and give me like an average price point of what you would pay for these, because I've seen people sell them for over $30 and I've seen them go as low as like $5. So yeah, let me know. I don't want to charge too much, but I also don't want to get ripped off, you know. So anyways, yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.